Hey lucrative family, Alice here. What if I told you that you could actually get paid for just watching YouTube videos? No stunts, no experience, and no upfront fees. All you need is a device, an internet connection, and the step-by-step guide I'm about to share with you in this video. It sounds too good to be true, right? Well, it's not. Whether you are looking for a side hustle that you can start from the comfort of your bed, or you just need some extra cash to cover some bills, this method could turn your YouTube habit into actual cash. So let's dive in. Step 1. Identify high engagement niche. The first thing you will do is to head over to YouTube and search for videos in niches that are consistently performing well. These include categories like finance, fun fact, mystery, philosophy, news. You might be asking, Alice, why these niches? These niches has proven to attract tons of views and engagement, which will be key for the platform we're about to use later. For inspiration, check out channels like Top Trending, which has over 5 million subscribers. It's a great example for content that grabs attention and keep viewers engaged. Step 2. Generate a transcript. Find the popular video in your chosen niche. Copy the link and head over to a YouTube transcript tool. The one I will be using in this video is nitched. This tool will turn the spoken content into text in seconds. Simply paste the link and click on Generate Transcription, and boom, you've gotten yourself a full transcript ready to go. Step 3. Clean up the text. This step is crucial for turning raw text into something well polished and professional. You have two options. You can either clean this text manually by removing the irrelevant stuff you feel you don't need, or you can use ChatGPT. But my very favorite is using ChatGPT. Just go to ChatGPT, paste this transcript, and write something like, format this text, remove timestamp and make it flow naturally, and also make it free from copyright. With these seconds, ChatGPT will give you a beautifully formatted version of your text. Step 4. Publish your work on vocal.media. Now this is the exciting part, monetizing your work. Head over to vocal.media, a platform that pays you for article you upload. How cool is that? Here's how it works. Every 1,000 views, you get paid $3.80. How cool is that? You see, lucrative family, is as simple as uploading your article and let vocal.media do the hard work for you. You start earning as people discover to read your work. Step 5. Scale your earnings. Don't just stop at one article, because the more article you upload, the more money you will potentially make. On average, articles on vocal.media generate $158 per month. If you want to make $500 per month on vocal.media, then you can upload 3 to 4 articles every single week. All right, I know it is tasky and it may be difficult for you, but it's actually achievable and doable if you put in the work, patience, and consistency. Let's be clear, family, this is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a straightforward way for you to earn extra for something you are probably already doing, watching YouTube videos. If you treat this like real side hustle, put in the work, the time, and consistency, you could see great results. So what do you think, family? Is this a side hustle you would like to try? Please let me know in the comments. If you find this video helpful, please smash the like button, subscribe to the YouTube channel, turn on your bell notification, and share for someone that this video might be beneficial for. And as always, if you have any question or you have any side hustle that you want me to test, please let me know in the comment section. The next video that is shown on your screen right now is actually a step-by-step guide on how you can make money online the laziest way, in my opinion. So click on it and I will see you there.